Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Classic, and before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/ Mind Your Crypto. I think that you are used to this phrase, but trust me, you will get easy profits and you will handle the market perfectly fine because we are going sideways. Maybe a correction is coming in. Anyway, thank you. Let's go right now to see Luna Classic. So let's see right here, we have a 0.3025 USDT target right now. And we remember, if you remember yesterday, or if you do not have, if you haven't watched the video from yesterday, please watch it because we talked about that we are going to see a small pump coming into around 0.3025, 26. Okay. And then we will dump. And here is what we are preparing to do. Prepare for a correction for Luna Classic. It doesn't seem like Luna Classic wants to go all the way up higher. We constantly find the 20-day MA and the 50-day exponential moving average. You can see the red line and the yellow line as our major support resistance level. If it was support, it would be perfectly good. But however, right now we are finding it as a resistance level. That means that maybe Luna Classic is going to fall down more, and possibly it is the time that we are going below the 0.3024 into the next support level, the next major support level at the 0.3021. Always remember that the 0.3021 won't come early, okay? We might wait a little bit, few days before we achieve this target rate here. Eventually though, when we are going to achieve it, it will come and the days will come and we will be all happy. However, for the time being, please be extremely careful as the 0.3021 around there should be the case that we are going to have a correction towards this target, but then a huge buying pressure. Okay, I repeat that, a good huge buying pressure once we approach this target rate here. However, for the time being, you can see why we are bearish. First of all, 20-day MA exponential moving average resistance level. Secondly, we keep going and going sideways towards two Fibonacci retracement levels, the 0.3024 and the 0.3025. You can see we haven't closed above yet. And so this means that most likely Luna Classic is still bearish. After all, we had an oversold situation right here. That's why we expected the pump, if you remember yesterday, but in overall we didn't expect something good. And to be honest with you, seeing the price analysis right now, it keeps me from saying that Luna Classic could be going all the way up higher. It is quite possible, and I will mention that because sometimes, we might see something and we do not mention it, but however, I will mention it, but it is possible that we might be forming a little bit of a bullish here pennant, but it is just for the very short time frames and we shouldn't pump so much. Okay, so do not expect anything huge again. The main concept right here is that we are keep going to do lower highs and lower lows. We will keep going and do the lower high, lower low pattern, and this is why you should be careful. You should protect yourselves at all costs from this huge correction that might happen over for Luna Classic. Okay, and you can see this is a steady correction, but it keeps getting lower. So the daily close right here, you can see that it means nothing that we had a green daily close. Here as well we had a green one and then we corrected. Here a green one, we might correct again towards the 0.3024 today again. Now over the next few days, as we talked about, 0.3021 should be the case for Luna Classic. Around here we should be having our first major resistance level. If you go to the logarithmic scale, it is a little bit different. Okay, you can see right here, I was in the regular scale. In the logarithmic scale, we have managed to go to the 0.3024, and of course we have closed a little bit above the 0.3025. However, the case right here is bearish as well. You can see that we keep finding the 20-day MA. Okay, so it isn't much of a difference. The main thing right here you need to know is that the 0.3021 will serve as a major support level. I was previously in the regular, now I'm in the logarithmic scale. You can use both, it is fine, whatever suits you. Actually, most of the times logarithmic works better because it gets to have a better recent price action. Okay, it contains the price action, the recent price action better than the regular scale. By the end of the day though, it is up to you to decide. Mainly, whenever I want to find the resistance levels, I use the regular scale. Whenever I want to find the support levels, I use the logarithmic scale. Most likely it is the case. Sometimes I use only the logarithmic scale. Anyway, these are the targets right here. Be prepared to correct even more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.